Hello, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Now that we have finished the Kate Greenaway junk journal, we are going to head into July's kit and talking about that one and what we're going to be making next month together. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do lots of junk journal tutorials and flip throughs and paper crafting and kits, and I have an Etsy shop full of this stuff. So please stick around. I would love to have you. So we're going to do something a little easier, a little cheaper, a little smaller than we've done the last 2 months. We've done kind of some big journals. So this kit's a little less expensive. It's about half the price ish, and it's a 4x6 soft cover. So you're going to be getting the chipboard or cardboard cover for that, and then the theme is yellow floral, and I was inspired by this fabric I found at Habitat for Humanity. It's on a huge roll. I got the huge roll of fabric. It looks very vintage to me. I'm sure it is. It has so much character to it. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be using. It's really like has a sheen to it, and then this is almost like a little bit of a raised sort of an embroidery, like a machine embroidery type, as you can see from the back. So that's going to be the cover, and then we have our pages. So the pages are going to be mostly coffee dyed because I love that color with this, and I just think it's going to be a really vintage. So there's going to be coffee dyed pages, and then this is from a book on bulbs, and you'll get a page from that book, and then you'll get 2 scrapbook pages. The patterns will be different. Sorry, my boys are not letting me film this morning. So 2 scrapbook pages, and then I printed on the back, and I'm going to be using papers from Digital Curio. This is the Yellow Textures collection that she has, and it's one of my favorite ones that I've bought from her. I love it. So she has an Etsy shop and a Facebook page, Digital Curio, so you're going to want to check her out. But you'll get 2, it may be these ones, it might be 2 other ones, but it'll be printed on the back, so that will go. Look at how beautifully it goes with the fabric and everything. So that'll, and all of these are going to be cut in half to make the pages. So I think there's going to be 16 pages times 4 sides. It's going to be fairly chunky, so whatever 16 times 4 is, I can do it, but not on the spot. I'm going to just figure it out here because you're going to want to know that. So about 64 pages in this journal. And then I just put together a new ephemera pack called Yellow Floral, and they are all yellow florals. Who would have guessed? Anyway, there's 45 images, and you are going to get all of them if you purchase this kit. The kit will also be available separately on its own, like I normally do, on cut and then cut and inked. So that will be available on its own if you're not wanting to purchase the entire kit. But I've got that. And then you'll get 4 smaller pages that we're going to be using to make like ephemera, journaling cards, stuff like that. This is also from a book on bulbs. It's just smaller. They're double-sided. They're beautiful. You'll be getting 4 of those. And then for fun, you'll be getting one of these see-through Rolodex card holders, and I'm going to show you what I like to do with them. I'm not sure what color you'll get. I don't have that many yellow. I'll use the yellow first, then I'll go to clear, and then probably green after that, but they will all coordinate beautifully. Oh, and a closure, some kind of a closure as well. So that is the kit, the Yellow Floral kit. And then I just want to talk, since I'm here, I want to talk quickly about, oh, that's my notes. I want to talk quickly about my July 4th sale. I don't want to have it just on July 4th. It's starting today, and it's going through July 9th. That gives you plenty of time to either order now ahead of time before everybody comes or you have all the plans, or a little bit after. So it is through the 9th starting today. And about half of my items are 40% off for the 4th. So you're going to want to check that out because I definitely put a lot of cool things on clearance for 40% off. And then my little fun thing that we're going to do along with this sale is for every $10 ordered, And that has to include at least one physical item, because I'm not paying shipping if you're just ordered $10 worth of digital product. This is, you have to have a physical product ordered to get this. But for every $10 ordered, you will get an Ephemera sample page from one of my Ephemera packs. Here's an example. If you placed an order and it was $25, you would get 2 Ephemera pages. And I will write on the bottom which collection they're from. That way, if you love it, you can go and purchase the entire pack. This one is from First Steps. There's 9 images per page. This one is from Dear to My Heart, and since each collection has about 5 different pages full of images, you don't know what you're going to get, so that's going to be really fun. You never know what you're going to get. So if you make a $100 order, you're going to get 10 different pages, which is a lot. And yeah, so just for every $10. So I hope that you enjoy that fun little thing I'm doing with the sale. I hope that you enjoy what I've put together. I can't wait to show you tomorrow some butterfly journals that were custom ordered, that I made and filmed. They came out so pretty. They put me in such a good mood yesterday, and I can't wait to share them with you. Please comment down below what your plans for the 4th are. I'm already starting plans because my 4-year-old is turning 5 on the 3rd, and I have family coming and going all week. So that's going to be so much fun. I have a couple of brothers coming and going, my parents. So that's just going to be a lot of fun. We got so much planned, fireworks, and my husband has 12 days off of work. However, I'm not taking 12 days off of work. I will probably lighten my workload slightly, but the week that my mom is going to be here, she's going to help me get a bunch of orders out as well. And just a side note, as always, I combine shipping when possible. Sometimes I try to get an order out to you, part of an order out to you, and sometimes the shipping, definitely the charges go up as it gets heavier. But if you, for example, I just filled 5 orders the other day for one person. She ordered them all within I would say within a week, within a few days. She ordered all of them, and I shipped them all in the same package at the same time, but they were very light, and it still cost the same amount. She paid shipping on all 5 of them, I think, or 4 of them, or however many, and I only needed shipping for 1, so I refunded her the rest. So that's just an example. Anyway, I have talked enough for today. My boys are waiting for me. I've got a lot to do today. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Have a lovely day.